Hello everyone. It's a pleasure and honor to be here at Finovate Spring 2015. I'm Steve Hoffman, CEO of SayPay. The two highest priorities for nearly every financial institution are improving user experience and enhancing online security. But unfortunately, these two objectives are often at odds with each other because enhancing security is often at the expense of creating additional friction for the user experience. Today we're introducing SayPay, which combines a seamless user experience with the power of biometric authentication. We will be demonstrating SayPay's bill pay, online checkout, and website sign-in. Nobody likes to pay bills. They're time-consuming, they're tedious, and if you run late, you end up with a late charge. Our first use case demonstrates how SayPay makes bill payments the fastest and most secure that you've ever seen. Now, first imagine that you have integrated our white label program and API into your mobile banking app. I go to my phone and I see that I've received a push alert from your bank. I open up that push alert and I can see now that I've received a bill from Acme Energy and the amount. I can see the details. I can pull up more details. I can even hear an audio summary of the bill.
You received a bill from Acme Energy for $90.38, due June 13th, 2015. What would you like to do?
Okay, so now I can either schedule a payment, set a reminder, but I'm just going to go ahead and pay now. SayPay assigns a specific code for every transaction. I'm instructed to simply press record and speak the code clearly and naturally. 52871599. SayPay verifies the code and authenticates my voice at the same time. I simply press confirm and my payment has been scheduled. This same solution also works when the SayPay code is included on a biller's electronic or printed paper bills. If desired, the bank or customer can configure the solution to bypass voice authentication for future low-risk transactions. And our web services architecture integrates into bill payment services so customers can later view or modify their SayPay transactions. Okay. Our next use case is online checkout. Now, where other solutions use a static voice phrase as a password substitute, again, SayPay specifically assigns a code for every transaction. So I'm going to go to my PC now, and I'm going to be shopping online. I found a very cool levitating Bluetooth speaker. I add it to my cart. I go to checkout. I see my various payment options, and this merchant takes some type of SayPay solution that is integrated into maybe one of the other brands. I enter my phone number and user ID, request a code, and I'm informed now that I've received to go to my phone to authorize the transaction. So I'm going to go to my phone now. I pull up the push alert. Again, I'm going to read the code as I did with bill pay. 92095176. Again, the system verifies the code, authenticates my voice, and I go back to my merchant website where I simply confirm the shipping information and my order has been placed. Notice I didn't have to enter a password. I didn't have to enter any of the payment information or any of the shipping information. SayPay took care of it for me. So our third use case now, we're going to go to the sign-in. The same seamless solution also works for signing in. I'm at my banking website, or any other website for that matter, and I enter my user ID down in the SayPay login area. Okay, I'm now instructed, I'm going to go back to my phone where I'm going to open the app, I'm going to pull up my alerts, and I'm going to see that I've received an alert, which I open. Now this number is the same one that is being displayed on my PC right now, but I'm going to go ahead and authorize it so I can sign into my web banking, on my website. 86730789. Okay, now if you go back to the PC, thank you, what you'll see now is that since I have authenticated myself, it should sign me in just a moment. There we go. Now I'm signed in. So the same solution can be reused and used across your enterprise basically for a whole variety of other different uses. It could be used also for step-up authentication, ACH and bill payments, wires, things like that. So think about the uses that you could use this kind of horizontal solution across your enterprise. So in conclusion, SayPay combines a seamless user experience with the power of biometric authentication. In all three use cases, you see how SayPay extends the value of the proposition across your enterprise for this and other uses. We are seeking partners and investors and inviting innovation leaders to pilot their own SayPay program using our patent-pending technology. If you like what you've seen, please stop by our booth or visit us online at saypaytechnologies.com. Again, I'm Steve Hoffman. It's been a pleasure to be here. Thank you.